गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। तो मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं आज की मैं अपनी वीडियो में गाइस। सो गाइस, आज हम अपनी वीडियो में बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर आप ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग कर सकते हो तो इस टॉपिक के थ्रू इस टॉपिक को एनालाइज करके आप अपने ट्रेडिंग में एक एज ला सकते हो। यू कैन इंक्रीज द विनिंग प्रोबेबिलिटी. So that's a simple guys, and the indicator, not it's a indicator, it's a like analysis of a different database topic. So we will discuss OI, and you know guys what is OI. OI stand for open interest. Okay, what is open interest? Open interest means if you are doing option trading, then you can know बहुत सारे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स होते हैं अलग अलग स्ट्राइक प्राइस पे। कोई सेल कर रहा है, कोई पुट कर रहा है। बाई सीइंग दिस डाटा और बाई एनालाइजिंग दिस डाटा वी कैन प्रिटेंड रेजिस्टेंस एंड सपोर्ट इन द मार्केट. ओके, एंड देन वी कैन प्ले अकॉर्डिंग, देन वी कैन डिप्लॉय स्ट्रेटजी अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस. मे बी वी कैन डिप्लॉय स्ट्रेडल, शॉर्ट स्ट्रेडल, ऑल दिस stuff. So we will discuss OI data. First of all, let me explain the simple thing about OI data so that you can easily understand in charts or in the data, in the graph figure. So basically guys, there are two type of contracts, either on the call side or on the put side. Some traders had buy, for example the strike price is 37,000. Okay, some traders are buy 37,000, some traders sell 37,000. Okay, द ट्रेडर्स जो सेल करें 37,000 PE, तो उनके अकॉर्डिंग मार्केट शुड बी बुलिश. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर सेलिंग 37,000 PE. अकॉर्डिंग टू देम मार्केट विल नॉट गो बियॉन्ड 37,000, एंड इफ इट्स happen then they will get all the profit of theta decay. Okay, and what are the view of this biasness? And those people who buy 37,000 PE, according to them the market should be bullish. According to them the market should be bearish. But most of the contracts you can find on the option trading is selling contracts. So guys, आपको ही पता है कि option trading में most of the traders are edge with the selling. Okay, they sell any contract. So whenever we find candles like this, so it's mean कि वो selling के contracts हैं. It's maybe put also by using hedge, but most of the contracts are by selling contracts. Okay, so मेरा कहने का सिंपल सा मतलब ये है कि guys, जो strike price में हम देख रहे हैं, let's assume that these all contracts are selling contracts. By using this we can pretend exact view in a very short span of time. So let's come to the graph and let's analyze कैसे हम करते हैं. So guys, I am using Zerodha platform for analyzing option data because they has a partnership with the Sensible, and it's a very good platform right now in India to analyze the option data. So basically हमें निफ्टी बैंक, फॉर एग्जांपल निफ्टी बैंक में जाता हूँ, यहाँ पे 3 डॉट्स दिखेगा, इस पे क्लिक करके आपको बहुत सारे ऑप्शन मिल जाएंगे, चार्ट्स, फंडामेंटल, टेक्निकल. हियर इज द ऑप्शन चेंज. ओके, एंड जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द ऑप्शन चेंज. Option change आ गया. अब now there is a see full option change. Click on this. It's take little bit of time to open. Now click on analyze. And click here is option open interest. So click on the open interest. Now guys, this is a open interest of yesterday. Like I am making this video in the morning. So ये पूरा डाटा जो है वो कल का है. कल पूरे ट्रेडिंग आवर्स में क्या हुआ निफ्टी के अंदर. यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक ऑप्शन डाटा इन बैंक निफ्टी, बट इस निफ्टी में मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि निफ्टी में हुआ क्या है. बेसिकली गाइस, this green candles you can see, these green pillars these are the put writers. They are the put writers, or you can say they are the put sellers. Okay, and these red candles are call writers, call sellers. So basically you can see many candles are below this horizontal line, this candle, this red in color. So basically what does it mean? Okay, so guys, it's mean there are many call sellers in this strike price. Okay, what is the 15,800? There are many call sellers, and there were huge call sellers on the 5,900, but the market was whole bullish during the trading hours yesterday. So all these writers are square of their positions. They just मार्केट में इतना बुलिशनेस था कि वो यहाँ से स्क्वायर ऑफ करके भागे, दैट्स व्हाई द पिलर्स आर इन द डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन एंड बाय सीइंग द ग्राफ यू कैन इजीली से दैट द whole candles are basically of puts writers. So market put writer, what does it mean? The put writer means the market is bullish, so you can expect today's expiry date Thursday, so we can expect a market in the sideways to bullish way. Not we can sell put options also. So these are the green candles. You can see many put writers are there. The huge resistance, you can see there is a great pillar here, so there is a huge resistance at 15,900 in Bank Nifty for yesterday expiry, and you can see this is the basically 6th July. Yesterday was the 6th July, and there was a put change to 27 million more contracts are added in on the put side. Means 27 million people think there must be bullishness in the market, and call sellers में -10 by call contracts are reduced by 10 millions, and put writers are increased by 27 millions. So you can see there is a huge difference, and the market is there is a dominant of a put sellers right now by seeing this data. Okay, this is the historical chain from Monday to the 7th July of expiry. You can see that market right now is here, but where you can find the good pillars right here. On Monday you can deploy a short straddle by using 15,800 put, selling this, and one more, there is a strong resistance which is 16,200 call. So these two pillars, so we can use a short straddle, like I am using this strategy by using this analysis. तो हम यहाँ पे कॉल सेल कर सकते हैं इस स्ट्राइक प्राइस पे, बिकॉज देयर इज अ ह्यूज पिलर, देयर इज अ ह्यूज रेजिस्टेंस, मोर राइटर्स कॉल राइटर्स आर प्रेजेंट ऑन 16,200. सो नॉट इट इजी फॉर द मार्केट जो इसको ब्रेक कर पाए. ओके, इट्स नॉट इजी, इवन इट्स नॉट इजी फॉर द मार्केट टू break 15,800, and just imagine if this level is broken, then it can easily go till 16,300. Here face some resistance. If it's broke this 16,000, still it's go further. So in this way you can deploy a strategy, and you can see the PCR is also showing the bullish. What is PCR guys? If you don't know, मैंने already इसमें वीडियो बनाया, मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन दे दूंगा. So in short में बता दूं, PCR is basically the put to call ratio. It's a ratio of a put and call contracts. The number of put contracts currently right now in upcoming expiry divided by call contracts, and if its value is greater than 1, it's mean put contracts are more. Okay, let me explain you in this. It's a put contract upon call contracts. Okay, this is P put call ratio. If put contracts, why this value must be greater than 1? If the value is greater than 1, it's mean put contracts are more than call contracts, means more put contracts are there. That's why the market should be bullish. Okay, this is simple logic, and by seeing all the OI change data and current OI data, you can see there is a huge dominance of put writer. That's why the value is greater than 1, and it's 1.3. It's a highly bullish. So market may be today trending in the bullish way, and here you can see this also. On Monday put writers were more, call writers were less expected, so the market may be sideways to the bullish. In 4th of July same happened. The put contracts are increased to 68 million, and these are 63 million, and we expect a strong bullishness in the market. On the 6th July there was a more call contracts. Okay, more call contracts, so market may be bullishness to the bearish market. Okay, but on the 6th July you can see there is a huge put contracts, and it's had almost 94 million put contracts. You can see if you add this put contract, this put contract, this put contract, this put contract, and subtract this call contract, then you get this PCR ratio. This is a simple guys. So guys, this is the way you analyze your option data. Open interest, by seeing open interest you can get a good support and good resistance, which are support by the market most of the time, or you can deploy a strategy like this. Okay, you can only, this is a best platform Sensible, or you can also आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो कि आप अच्छे से एनालाइज करके, फॉर एग्जांपल बाय सीइंग दिस ऑन 1 जुलाई आई एक्सपेक्ट मार्केट शुड बी sideways to the bullishness on the upcoming on the 4th July. It's happened on the same. By seeing 2, we can also expect market should be bullish, but in this your stop loss is hit. Why? Because there was some sudden news on the evening and the market falls suddenly. Or by seeing this whole 3 days, you found that the put contracts are more than this call contract, and still on the 6th of July the biasness was there, and on this we also we can also make a good return of amount. So basically guys, this is the open interest. I hope you like my this video, or if you have any query regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer you all your queries. So thank you guys, meet you in the next video, and if you like this video then please click on the like button and subscribe so that I get motivated and many new content. So guys, meet you in the next video.